Hey, everybody. Dan Fitzpatrick here at stockmarketmentor.com. Let's get high. I want to talk about Canopy Growth today. It's had a heck of a move over 16%. It's a small dollar stock, $8.29. But it's had a heck of a move today. And the news that I see that's kind of most compelling is because of a potential Harris presidency, which I mean, frankly, just the thought of that makes me want to get high. But anyway, so apparently there's an idea that she'll be more kind of moderate or cool on this stuff, which is about the opposite of what she was in California. But hey, man, let's be unburdened by what has been. So the bottom line is this stock's going up on more than double average volume just today. And you could see there's a little bit of momentum building over the last week or so, starting a week ago on Monday. And I don't know if this had anything to do with Harris, and all that. I kind of doubt it. I think it was just kind of time for the stock to move. And so it broke out here and now it's continuing to run. So this is the thing. I bought some of this today. I put it on our active trade idea list because I kind of look at this chart and I really think like $10 is the deal, which is about a 20% move. I am not going to take credit for this stock. I actually saw it in our trading room. Somebody mentioned it. I'll leave his name out of the video, but somebody mentioned it, and then another one as well. And I looked at this one and said, this one looks like it could have legs. And so I'm just giving this to you on the free chart side of things, because the bottom line is, whether you're a member or not of Stock Market Mentor, I want to help you make money. So hopefully this will. But here's the thing on this one, you gotta, at least the way I look at it is, you have to keep a pretty loose stop. I would be keeping a stop down below today's intraday low of 734, like maybe 733, whatever. If this move completely reverses, I don't want to be long this stock. So because of the distance between the high and where it is right now, that's about 12%. You kind of have to start with a small position and then build from there, whether it's intraday or whatever. But just know what your risk is. The risk is the most important part of every trade. If you don't know what it is, you're taking too much. So that's all I got for you. If you haven't tried Stock Market Mentor, I highly guarantee that you will have a good time and that you're actually going to make some money, because that's all we do over there. So get your butt over there, give it a shot. 2-week trial. It's not going to cost you much at all. And my bet is you're going to make some money and be happy. All right. I'll see you there.